We always want to know what can we do to improve our heart after a heart attack. And there's many things that we can do to help with that. That includes medications that the doctor, the heart specialist provides, and those medications help the heart relax, have a slower heart rate, have lower blood pressure, so the heart can rest and recover. There is also routine exercises, which we call cardiac rehab, that we can use to help with repairing the heart and improving the condition of the heart. Every single one of them have been proven to improve the chances that the patient can improve their heart and live longer.